So hello everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how you can install MongoDB in your local machine. So for doing that you need to search MongoDB download in your browser. MongoDB download. And after searching for that you have to go to this part where it says MongoDB community download. So you can go to this place or this page, and from here you can download the MongoDB setup and install that. You can click on this community server, and then you can select the version. I'll be selecting this current version, which is 5.0.9, which is the current version. And you can select the platform from here, which says Windows in my case, and you can select the package type, which I'm using MSI for directly downloading or installing that. So after using and after downloading this, you can go to your download folder. I'll be going inside my download folder. So let me just go to softwares where I have stored it. Actually, I've already downloaded that and installed that. I'll be just guiding you how you can install that. So this is the current version 5.0.9. After seeing this MSI file or the file, you can directly click on that, and in Windows you can just click next, and just you can have already downloaded that, so it is saying first remove that, so then you can use it as a good. So first let me remove that. So I can click on OK. So it is uninstalling. So it is uninstalled. Now I'm clicking on this again, and I'm showing you the fresh installation. So you can click on next. You can accept the agreement. Click on next, and you can click on this custom, and you can select the location where you want to install this. So in my case I'm installing it in the C drive. If you want to install it in the separate directory, so you can browse that part, and I'll be leaving that to the same or the default location. So I'll be going with this setup custom. Let me just go to again next, and after that you have to install it as a service. Like when you are installing the MongoDB, you have to run it as a service, because uh, that will help the MongoDB to run in the background, and we don't have to always start this MongoDB server. So this is the good choice. You have to install install MongoDB as a service. You have to click on this check, so make sure you check that. And also you can select the data directory for storing the data, and the log directory where you want to store all the logs, and this will be the location where all the data of your database will be stored. So I'll be clicking on next, and you can leave this part which says install MongoDB compass, because I don't want that. I can click on next and install that. So it will take just some time and it will be installed. And after installation you can just go to your environment variables. You can search in the search bar. Let me just pause this and come back to you again after this is installed. So let me just pause the video. So you can see that it is installed, and I'm clicking on this finish now. And the one setting you have to do is you have to set the environment variables for accessing the MongoDB command. So let me just show you from the CMD first, that if you try to access the MongoDB dash dash version, now you can see that it is showing me that no command is there or anything. So it is not recognizing that. For that you need to go to your environment variables. Inside this search, you search for environment variables. So you can see that here is the setting, edit the system environment variables. Click on that, and after that you have to go to this environment variables option, and inside user variables you have to go to the path where it says path, and here you have to add this MongoDB server bin folder. So in my case it is there, so let me just delete it and again add the path. So the path is simply the MongoDB bin folder path. I can go in here, I can go in C drive, in program files, in MongoDB server 5.0, I can go inside that, and inside the bin you have to select this location. So it was in here, so I can add the path here. Now I can click on this OK. Now I can see that it is already added. Now if I click on this OK again, now I'll be able to use that Mongo command, which was mongo -v, or I can directly go into the Mongo shell, MongoDB dash. Okay, that is not doing that. So I think I've uninstalled and reinstalled, that's why. Let me just go to the Mongo. So you can see that it is going inside the Mongo. This is Mongo shell actually. We'll be understanding about this shell in the future video. So MongoDB is installed, but for checking the version you just type Mongo and it will show you the MongoDB shell version, and if it is showing you the shell version, then you can freely understand that MongoDB is installed. So this is how we do, and this will be the place, this MongoDB shell will be the place where we will be writing all commands for MongoDB for storing the data and maintaining the database. So we'll be understanding this Mongo shell in the future video. Let's meet in the another one. Thank you for watching this.